Snakes are hibernators. Snakes like lying in the long grass. When it gets cold, some snakes gather in caves or dens. Spiders are hibernators. Spiders are often seen spinning webs or crawling around the garden. In the winter, some spiders hibernate under rocks. Bears are hibernators. In the summer, bears like spending their time in the forest. In the winter, bears hibernate in a cave or den. Bats are hibernators. In the summer, bats like to fly around in the gardens. In the winter, bats move to warmer places, but some stay in dark caves. Queen bees are hibernators. Bees love gardens in the summer. In the winter, many bees die, but the queen bee hibernates in the soil until spring arrives. Hedgehogs are hibernators. Hedgehogs spend their time in gardens. In the winter, they hibernate in hollow trees or under sheds. Snails are hibernators. Snails enjoy gardens too. In the winter, they go under rocks and inside their shells. It's time for a quiz, my friends. Are you ready? All right, let's go and see what you've learned. Do you remember when do animals hibernate? Do they hibernate in the summer, in the spring, or in the winter? Let's see if you're right. They hibernate in the winter when it's cold. You're right. Great job. You ready for another question? How do the animals know when to come out of hibernation when it's done? In the summer? When the alarm clock goes off? Or when the cell phone rings? Do you remember? Yes, when it's warm outside, like the springtime and summer. Great job. All right, let's do another one. Which of these animals hibernates? The cat, the hedgehog, or the cow? Which one? Do you remember? Do you remember which one? Yes, you're right. The hedgehog hibernates. Great job. You guys did excellent. Thanks for watching. See you next time.